Welcome back to another episode of my trading vlog, where most of the views come from returning subscribers, except for right now because AMC is trending. But if you are a returning subscriber or not, I would appreciate the thumbs up or subscribe maybe, I don't know. Here we go. I was looking on Twitter today and Adam Aaron tweeted out what my open letter message below to you all is on the subject of existential importance to AMC Entertainment shareholders. I urge you to read it. Adam Aaron. Hashtag AMC survive then thrive. I started reading this. I read through maybe the first half of the first page and I was just like, wow, I gotta go over this. This is what I've been trying to reiterate since 2021 is that the company needs to survive. It needs good fundamental value. And once its longevity is secured, that is when the short thesis really breaks down, is when the fundamentals are positive, bullish for AMC. And right now they just aren't. And I was really upset with the promotion of ignorance that I saw in 2020 and 2021. And anyway, so let's go ahead and read this. I'm just gonna open it up. An open letter to our investors on July 23rd, 2023. Raising fresh equity in the near term is critical to our company, so it is important that we work to address the concern raised in the Delaware Court of Chancery ruling on Friday. I don't know how to say that name, whatever. In leading AMC through this once-in-a-century pandemic and its aftermath, I have been driven by this overarching goal. Do not let AMC fall into financial ruin. Ensure that AMC survives. Put AMC on a path to eventually thrive. Along the way, I have done my utmost to be transparent with AMC shareholders, and I am doing so again right now. And Adam Aaron has been adamant on the issue that they need to sell equity. I think this is a true statement. He's being honest there. Like, this guy's frustrated. I think he's really frustrated. His company was basically hijacked by retail traders. Wanda Group sold out, retail bought in, and then he wanted to raise money for the company like the professional he is, and he just couldn't do it. And how frustrating must that be? Like, he cares about this company so much, and he's trying to get it to survive, and he needs to be able to sell this equity. But out of nowhere, the voting power of his company is suddenly shifted into a camp that doesn't let him sell equity. Here's the thing. To me personally, anything that inhibits a company's ability to sell equity, to raise money, could easily be part of the short propaganda campaign that may or may not exist. The concept behind predatory short selling is to lower a company's equity to a price that does not help the company raise money. If let's say you're authorized to sell 1 million shares, well, at $100 a share, that's a lot of money. At 5 cents a share, it's like way less money. That's pretty much it, right? Predatory short selling is trying to make the equity of less value to the company because that equity is used to raise value, right? And that's why I was so frustrated about it. It's like, oh my goodness, I voted yes to share dilution in 2021. And something else I've said too a lot is like, if the people who hold AMC shares were to just sell those shares, take the cash and go to the theater with that money and spend all that money there, that would improve the balance sheet right away. The fundamentals would turn around and suddenly the stock would start to climb too. It just seems to me like people don't really have the company in mind. And I think that's kind of the problem with the popular narrative. And I used to buy into it too. Like, that's what I did. I was there watching trades, right? I was like, wow, look at this guy. And it's just my opinions changed. I found analysis, and I read some books. One was Naked, Short, and Greedy by Dr. Suzanne Trimbath. She's overlooked. Oh my goodness. You must buy this book, Naked, Short, and Greedy by Dr. Suzanne Trimbath, and read it and understand it. And there's a couple other things too, by Bulkowski, just a few of his books, and obviously that Elliott Wave Principle book I read as well. Very enlightening. I'll have it on hand right now. At any rate, I really think that this is a true statement. That Adam Aaron is being honest here. He's been very, very forthright and honest. Anyway, okay. He says, AMC must be in a position to raise equity capital. I repeat, to protect AMC's shareholder value over the long term, we must be able to raise equity capital. Pretty straightforward. In closing, I would remind everyone that we have several enormously popular movies in theaters this very minute, highlighted by Barbie, Oppenheimer, Sound of Freedom, and Mission Impossible. Look at him. Look at him go, plug-in. Dead Reckoning Part 1. All this effort around AMC Entertainment these past 3 years has been about saving moviegoing in theaters in America and the world over. I encourage you to enjoy the fruits of that labor. Go see dazzling images on our huge silver screens. Listen, enjoy yourselves and go see a movie. That's what I've been saying. Nah. It's just like, really, it's just like, this is, yeah, this is how I feel. This is it. I'm actually surprised to see that 72% of AMC common shareholders and 91% of APE preferred unit holders casted their votes, agreed with the board's view that they need to be able to sell equity, which is fantastic. You would really think it was the other way around, because I've always felt like that cry of don't. I'm gonna like this one. Yeah, let's retweet it too. Retweet. Hell yeah. Anyway, I just saw it and was like, oh my goodness. It just feels validating that like he wrote this letter. I love this. This is great. This is fantastic. It really is. Especially this last bit about going and seeing a movie. That's too good. Too good. It kind of looks like he might have signed this with his finger, but that's okay. You ever look at people's signatures and be like, I mean, he looks like a cool guy. It's kind of like a star. Really. Anyway, I'm just some dude. Happy trading.